Hey everyone, so on this very merry Maker Make It with Calvin Christmas, we're going to be talking about this little snowman and his buddies right here, and this awesome snowflake and its other friends, and talking about why they make really good Christmas prints. Now the beauty of both these prints is the fact that you can do them on a single extrusion machine just by telling your printer to stop at a certain height, then loading another color in and telling it to print the last bit of the print, and you have yourself a really awesome two-tone design. In this case, this is AMZ 3D white with AMZ 3D mint green for the top, and this little guy right here is AMZ 3D white with AMZ 3D black on the top. Now one thing I did do when I printed these on my G-Tech A10M is I did not use any color purging. I just had it automatically change the colors without purging, and it worked fine for me. They're a really easy print to do on a single extrusion machine, but you can still get the look of a dual extrusion print with it. Now to pull this off is pretty simple. You can just go into your slicer and tell it to stop printing at a set height. Then when it's done, come along, pull out the existing filament color, drop a new one in there, and tell it to finish printing from the point where you stopped and go up, and you can get a nice dual tone print like this. Now if you don't have that capability, you can still very easily paint the finished model, but let's face it, it's a fun little experiment to do anyways, and it looks cool. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you here next time on Make It with Calvin.